Yamunati Jaya Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Jaya Radha Kunja Jaya Shri Jai Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta-vrinda Jaya Krishna Jaya Prabhu Anda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta-vrinda Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta-vrinda Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Prabhupada. Jai Vishnupada Paramahamsa Parivrajagacharya Sutara Shishimat. His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai Om Vishnupada Paramahamsa Parivrajagacharya Sutara Shishimat. His Divine Grace Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Srila Prabhupada Ki ISKCON BBT Founder Acharya Srila Prabhupada Ki Nam Acharya Srila Haridas Thakur Ki Prem Se Kaho Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Ki Shri Shri Radha Krishna Gopa Gopinath Shyamakunda Radha Kunda Giri Govardhan Ki Shri Vrindavan Dham Ki Shri Mathura Dham Ki Shri Mayapur Navadip Dham Ki Shri Jagannath Puri Shri Kshetra Dham Ki Ganga Maya Ki Yamuna Maya Ki Bhakti Devi Ki Tulasi Maharani Ki Samaveta Bhakta Vrinda Ki Yuga Dharma Harinam Sankirtan Ki Transcendental Brahmandaka Book Distribution Ki Transcendental Prasadam Distribution Ki Nitai Gaura Premanandi Grantha Rashi Mad Bhavatam Ki. All glories to the Assembled Hare Krishna. All glories to the Assembled Hare Krishna. All glories to the Assembled Hare Krishna. All glories to Shri Guru and Gauranga. Glories to Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai. Namo Vishnupada Krishna Prasthana Krishna Krishna Vasavati Namane Namo Vishnupada Krishna Prasthana Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swami Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Prachari Devi Seshashini Ashyata Desataya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya 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 Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye Nasta Prayashu Abhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavate Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhakti Naistaki. Hare Krishna. Good morning. Good to come to temple on a Monday morning.
好高興見到大家喺星期一嘅早上嚟到廟堂。
So we're going to read from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Creation, Chapter 15, The Pandavas Retired Timely, Text 40.
我哋繼續閱讀聖典博卡同第一篇創造第15章，翻就話兄弟及時退隱第40節。
Please chant responsively. Visrijya tatra tatsarvam Visrijya tatra tatsarvam Dukula valayadikam Dukula Valayadikam Nirmamo Nirahankaraha Nirmamo Nirahankaraha Sanchinna Sesha Bandhanaha Sanchinna Sesha Bandhanaha Visrijya Tatra Tatsarvam Dukula Nirmamo Nirahankaraha Sanchinna Sesha Bandhanaha. Anyone wants to chant? If not, we can continue. Visrijya Tatra Tatsarvam Dukula Valayadikam Nirmamo Nirahankaraha Chantinna Seshavandanaha Visrijya Tatra Tatsarvam Dukula Valayadikam Nirmamo Nirahankara Sanchinna Seshavandana Visrijya
40
relinquishing
放棄
Tatra all those
所有那些
Tat that
那
Sarvam everything
一切
Dukula
杜庫啦
belt
帶
Valaya Adikam and bangles
竹子
Nirmama
天媽媽
uninterested
uninterested 不感興趣的
Nirahankaraha
Nirahankaraha
unattached
不執着
Sanchinna
Sanchina
perfectly cut off
完美地斬斷了
Asesha Bandhanaha
Asesha Bandhanaha
unlimited attachment
無限地依戀
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Prabhupada Ki Jai. Translation Maharaj Yudhishthira at once relinquished all his garments, belts and ornaments of the royal order and became completely disinterested and unattached to everything.
譯文 Yudhishthira 王當場交出他作為君王所穿戴嘅衣服、腰帶和裝飾品，對一切都不再關心和留戀。
Purport To become purified of material contamination is the necessary qualification for becoming one of the associates of the Lord. No one can become an associate of the Lord or can go back to Godhead without such purification. Maharaj Yudhishthira, therefore, to become spiritually pure, at once gave up his royal opulence, relinquishing his royal dress and garments. The kashaya, or saffron loincloth, of a sannyasi indicates freedom from all attractive material garments, and thus he changed his dress accordingly. He became disinterested in his kingdom and family and thus became free from all material contamination or material designation. people are generally attached to various kinds of designations. The designations of family, society, country, occupation, wealth, position, and many others. As long as one is attached to such designations, he is considered materially impure. The so-called leaders of men in the modern age are attached by national consciousness, but they do not know that such false consciousness is also another designation of the materially conditioned soul. One has to relinquish such designations before one can become eligible to go back to Godhead. Foolish people adore such men who die in national consciousness. But here is an example of Maharaj Yudhishthira, a king who prepared himself to leave this world without such national consciousness. And yet he is remembered even today because he was a great pious king, almost on the same level with the personality of Godhead Sri Rama. And because the people of the world were dominated by such pious kings, they were happy in all respects, and thus it was quite possible for such great emperors to rule the world.
要指清除物質污染是成為至尊主同伴之一嘅必要資格。在沒有得到這樣嘅淨化前，沒人能成為至尊主嘅同伴，或者回到守神身邊。為了得到靈性嘅淨化，Yudhishthira王立刻放棄了他嘅皇室財富，交出了他作為服和裝飾品。托缽真所穿戴嘅橙黃色圍巾為腰部，表明免除一切有吸引力嘅物質穿戴。Yudhishthira王決定過氣住嘅生活，於是換上了與之相符嘅托缽真為腰部。他不再關心他的王國和家庭，擺脱了一切物質污染、物質稱號。人們一般都很執着家庭、社會、國家、職業、錢財、地位等各方面嘅各種稱號。人只要還執着於這些稱號，就被視為是受到物質嘅污染。現代所謂嘅國家領導人都具有強烈嘅國家意識，但他們不知道，這種不真實嘅意識也是另一種稱號攞在靈魂上嘅物質污染。人在有資格回到守神身邊前，必須去除對這些稱號嘅執着和依戀。愚蠢嘅人們崇拜懷着強烈嘅愛國意識為國捐軀嘅人，但這裏談的是Yudhishthira王嘅例子。他沒有這種國家意識，他在做準備離開這個世界。儘管如此，他永垂青史，因為他是偉大嘅虔誠君王，幾乎與人格守神 Sri Rama 在同一個層面上。當時嘅統治者是如此虔誠嘅君王，使世人能夠安居樂業、生活幸福。也正因為如此，這樣嘅偉大嘅帝王能夠統治整個世界。
Okay. Momadhyanatamrandasya janandana sharakaya chakshuzanmaritamena tasmai shri guruve namaha mukundarati vachilam pangum langhete hare yadkrita krishna samprasna dinataranam Paramananda Madhava Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Sahodita Bhagavadya Pushpati Chitra Sangatam. Okay, to read the translation. Maharaj Yudhishthira at once relinquished all his garments, belt and ornaments of the royal order and became completely disinterested and unattached to everything.
譯文 Yudhishthira 王當場交出他作為君王所穿戴嘅衣服、腰帶和裝飾品，對一切都不再關心和留戀。
Srila Prabhupada explains how to become one must actually be purified.
咁咧喺度聖帕花解釋咧，如果要成為至尊主同伴嘅其中一個必要嘅資格咧，就要完全淨化。
So here you can see Maharaj Yudhishthira, as we were explaining for the last few days, he is teaching not only his citizens but to all of us also how we can also give up our attachments.
咁喺度咧 Yudhishthira 我哋呢幾日都解釋過啦 Yudhishthira 王咧作為一個君王，佢唔單止向佢嘅子民咧，亦都向我哋所有人咧係解釋我哋點樣能夠放棄一切。
The whole idea in these few verses is to show how we can all eventually at the end of our life give up those attachments.
咁咧呢幾個詩節咧都解釋俾我聽，我哋點樣能夠喺我哋生命嘅盡頭嘅時候咧，都能夠咧係唔依附一切，放棄一切。
Srila Prabhupada, when he translates, he says, at once relinquish, and it's immediately, no second thoughts.
喺度咧要啲正法不翻譯就話佢即刻嘅，冇任何即係另外啲想法，就即刻就放棄一切。
And it's not ordinary garments he's wearing. These are very opulent garments that he was wearing.
咁佢所穿戴嘅並唔係啲普通嘅服裝啦、服飾啦，而係一啲咧非常豪華華麗嘅服裝。
So I've heard that sometimes the ladies, they make their garments, they use real gold threads and so on. So it's very, very expensive.
我都聽過有啲女士咧，佢哋做衫嘅時候咧，用真嘅金線，用金嚟到做嘅線，咁咧係非常非常之昂貴。
What the speaker Maharaj used to say at that time, everything must be so pure and perfect.
咁更何況係 Yudhishthira 啦，喺當時咧，所有佢用嘅一切嘢咧，應該咧都係完美嘅，同埋非常之淨化嘅。
They probably wear jewelry, gems, and even the belt have ornamentations.
咁佢應該係戴咗好多嘅珠寶啦、首飾啦，佢所戴嘅腰帶咧，應該亦都係點綴住好多嘅珠寶。
So therefore, the emphasis in all these verses is we need to start cultivating the sense of renunciation, detachment. Then we are actually free from other things that are trying to attack us.
咁如果呢幾個詩節嘅要旨就話俾我聽，我哋要開始去培養咧呢個棄絕嘅心態。如果我哋能夠做得到嘅話咧，其他所有一切唔好嘢咧都會遠離我哋。
Similarly, also, unless we acting piously, we cannot actually worship the Supreme Personality of God. 咁
除非我哋係好虔誠咁樣去生活啦，如果唔係咧，我哋根本咧冇辦法咧去崇拜至尊主。
Shri Krishna explains, Ye santu antagata papam yananam punya karmana te dvanda moha nirmukta bhajanti mam virda vrataha. Meaning, people who have acted very piously in their lives, they can, and they don't have any more sinful inclination, they can actually engage in worship of Krishna.
咁即係話，如果一個人好虔誠咁生活啦，佢冇任何嘅罪惡活動啦，咁佢咧就能夠咧係去崇拜至尊主。
Not just engage in worship of Krishna, but with great determination, Virda Vrata.
咁你可以咧係好有決心咁樣咧去崇拜至尊主 Krishna。
So if we don't act piously or so on, we will be overwhelmed by our senses and mind.
咁如果我哋唔係好虔誠咁去生活咧，我哋就會被我哋嘅感官、我哋嘅心意咧所控制。
The senses, if they are not controlled, if we don't train ourselves, then we become bewildered by our sense enjoyment.
咁如果我哋唔去控制我哋嘅感官嘅話咧，我哋咧就會咧係俾呢個感官享樂咧所控制。
Srila Prabhupada explains how a child is trying to catch anything, like babies crawling, they see something, they try to catch it.
咁咧，聖爸爸用一個例子咧，就係 BB 仔咧，佢哋爬嘅時候咧，佢哋見到啲咩就會想得到攞起佢哋。
Yeah, so they will sometimes they see a fire, they will go and try to grab the fire. 咁
就算佢前邊咧係一堆火啊，佢哋 BB 仔咧都唔知道危險，佢就會走埋咧想捉住嗰堆火。
Or even a snake or some animal, they try to grab.
咁就算係喺前面係一條蛇啊，或者其他啲危險嘅動物咧，佢都會走去想捉住佢哋。
Or many times you hear cases where baby fall in the well or pond. In the lake or in the pond. 咁或者你都好多時會聽過咧 ，BB 仔咧會跌咗落個池塘啦，或者係個井嗰度。Why? Because the baby doesn't know what is his or her self-interest.
因為佢唔知道發生咩事，佢哋覺得咧佢又好有興趣。
Similarly, as adults, we become trapped by our senses.
咁作為一個成年人啦，我哋被我哋嘅感官咧所捉住。
Srila Prabhupada gives the example that the fish in the water gets trapped because of his tongue. He likes to taste things.
咁咧就正法比用一個例子，就係魚喺海嗰度咧，喺水入邊咧，就係咧因為佢嘅脷、佢嘅舌頭控制唔到佢舌頭，所以就俾人捉咗。
That's why the fishermen they throw the hook and with the bait. Oh, I can get some, and then get trapped.
咁所以咧就去釣魚。個鈎啦，魚鈎上面就有啲魚脷啦，咁跟住條魚咧，因為貪心想食呢個魚脷，於是就俾人捉咗啦。
And the same way, the bees they like to smell fragrance. And the flowers sometimes close.
咁有陣時蜜蜂一樣啦，佢哋咧好中意聞啲花嘅香味啊，於是佢哋走入去，啲蜜蜂就飛入去隻花嘅中間咧，有陣時隻花就合埋就捉住咗隻蜜蜂。
Similarly, to catch a wild elephant. In India, they dig a big hole and they cover the hole, and on the other side they put a female elephant on heat. So the male bull elephant wants to get the female elephant, but he gets trapped. He fall into the pit.
咁同樣喺印度咧，如果啲人要捉大笨象咧，佢就會掘一個好深嘅坑啦，上面冚啲草啦。喺呢個坑嘅另外一邊咧，就會等一隻女性嘅大笨象喺度。咁咧就於是呢隻男性大笨象見到個女性大笨象就想走埋去同佢交配，於是咧就跌咗落個坑嗰度。
So Prabhupada also gives another example of how a deer. You know, the deer, when they are in the jungle, when you play a music, flute, the deer, they like to hear a beautiful song.
咁同樣地咧，係一啲鹿啊喺森林嗰度啦，當佢聽到啲好美妙嘅你吹笛啦，呢啲好美妙嘅聲音咧，佢就會被呢啲聲音。
They get trapped and the hunter will kill.
咁咧跟住就獵人就會趁機就捉咗佢哋咧，就殺咗佢哋。
Of course, in modern times they don't play all this to trap. They use a high-powered rifle with a scope, telescope.
咁啊，而家唔需要呢啲嘢啦，因為而家好簡單嘅啫，要捉動物咧就用一支瞄準器咧射就中㗎啦。
So similarly, insects, if there's a big fire or light, you can see the insects come there and then they get trapped and they die.
咁同樣地啦，好多昆蟲咧，如果你點緊燈或者有個火咧，佢就會俾呢一個光所吸引，於是咧就走埋去，於是咧就係被捉住啦，或者係被燒死。
So the Prabhupada says all these animals and insects, they only have one sense which is so strongly controlling them.
咁正法講嗰啲動物咧，佢哋只係有一個非常之好強嘅感官啊，而呢個感官咧就會控制住呢個動物。
But as human beings, all our senses are very strong.
咁但係作為一個人咧，我哋所有嘅感官咧都係非常之強大嘅。
So the more reasons that we have to try and control our senses properly.
所以我哋更加咧就係要好好咁樣控制我哋嘅感官。
Our senses are like a prison house, actually.
咁我哋嘅感官咧就好似一個監獄咁樣。
In the Bhagavatam also it says the senses are like our spouses, wives or husbands.
咁咧波加塔咧就描述我哋嘅感官就好似我哋嘅家人，我哋嘅丈夫。
So Srila Prabhupada says it's like 6 wives, the mind and the 5 senses.
咁咧正法嘅形容咧就我哋嘅5個感官啦，同埋我哋嘅心意咧加埋一齊6樣咧，就好似有6個太太咁樣。
So Prabhupada say one wife will pull this hand, one wife will pull this leg, another wife. So you say what to do?
正法波就形容啦，呢個男人咧就俾佢呢啲感官啦，就好似佢妻子咁樣咧，就捉住佢一隻手啦，就拉住另一隻手啦，一隻腳咧，另外一隻腳咧喺唔同嘅方。
And because if we don't practice properly, we become prisoner to the senses.
咁如果我哋唔係正確咁收集嘅話咧，我哋就會成為呢一個監獄嘅囚犯。
And when we become prisoners to the senses, then we become overwhelmed by the 3 modes of material nature.
咁如果我哋成為呢啲感官嘅囚犯嘅話咧，我哋就會被呢個大自然嘅3種屬性所控制。
Devi Shagunamaya, Mamamaya, Duratyaya. So very difficult to overcome. And this material energy is like ropes that bind us.
咁呢啲大自然嘅物質能量咧，就非常之難去克服嘅，佢就好似咧係繩索咁樣捆綁住我哋。
But when you take this Krishna consciousness or surrender to the spiritual master in Krishna, immediately these ropes that are binding can be released.
咁但係如果我哋係收集 Krishna 知覺啦，我哋臣服於 Krishna 同埋靈性導師嘅話咧，呢一啲嘅捆綁住我哋嘅，好似繩索咁捆綁住我哋嘅呢啲大自然嘅屬性咧，就會即刻咧被斬斷。
So we can see we are also controlled by the material nature. We are bound and we are always thinking I, mine, this is what happened.
咁我哋咧無時無刻咧俾大自然嘅呢個屬性所捆綁住啦，就我哋無時無刻都喺度諗啦，呢啲係我啦，或者係啲係我嘅嘢。
So Yudhishthira Maharaj is showing how all of us, when we practice Krishna consciousness nicely, we will be able to easily
咁喺度咧 Yudhishthira 王作為一個榜樣話俾我哋聽咧，如果我哋好好咁去收集 Krishna 知覺咧，我哋就能夠咧係放棄棄絕呢一切嘅嘢。
Just like when we grow up with the family, with our husbands and wives, we are attached. There is some affection and so on. So that's okay.
咁當我哋喺一個家庭長大啦生活嘅時候咧，我哋會對我哋嘅丈夫啊太太咧有啲嘅依附，呢個係可以接受嘅。
But at some time, the affection can still be there, but our attraction and our purpose in life is to please Krishna. So we have to focus on that.
咁但係隨住時間啦，我哋仍然可以係有一啲嘅關心啦，有啲嘅愛喺度啦，但我哋咧必須要將我哋嘅專注咧等喺為至尊主服務。
So we are not really worried about the family because we know we have trained our family members, we have guided them properly. Now we know, yes, time to go. I want to think of Krishna.
當我哋去面對死亡嗰刻嘅時候，我哋就唔會記掛住我哋嘅家人啦，因為咧我哋知道咧，我哋已經咧係好好咁樣訓練佢哋啦，佢哋可以照顧到自己，我哋就可以咧專注喺 Krishna 嗰度。
Actually, when we are dying, we should be thinking, how will Krishna take us back?
咁所以我哋真係要離開身體嗰刻，我哋應該喺度諗咧 ，Krishna 點樣帶我翻去咧
？As we are dying, we should think, will Krishna come? Will he come to see me?
我哋喺度，我哋真係面對死亡嗰刻嘅時候，我哋應該咧就係諗 ，Krishna 會唔會嚟見我咧？會唔會嚟接我咧
？Have I done enough? Will Krishna be okay with what I have done?
我係咪已經做得足夠咧 ？Krishna 係對我所做嘢滿意咧？
Right? We should be able to think like that instead of thinking, oh, what will my son do? What will my daughter do? What happened? What can you do? You're going to die.
咁我哋死亡刻就唔應該諗住我個仔點啦，我個女點咧？呢啲唔係我哋應該喺死亡嘅時候要去想同埋要去做嘅嘢。
No matter what you do to set up your material life, still there'll be something you cannot cover.
因為就無論我哋點樣去努力咧，係建立我哋嘅物質嘅生活生命都好啦，點都有啲嘢我哋係做唔到嘅。
And anyway, when you're dead, you won't even know what is happening to your family and so.
點都好啦，當你已經死嘅時候，你根本冇辦法知道咧，究竟你嘅家庭啦，你嘅屋企人咧會跟住會點樣。
So our real relationship is Krishna.
我哋真正嘅關係咧，只有咧係同 Krishna。
Yeah, the eternal associates of Krishna. This is our real family. Here, we are making temporary relationship every lifetime.
我哋真正嘅身份咧係 Krishna 永恆嘅同遊啦，佢嘅僕人啦。而我哋喺呢個物質世界咧，只係咧建立一啲短暫嘅關係。
Just like how often do you remember your grandparents?
你有幾
grandparents? You don't even know who they are.
你有幾多時會諗起你嘅祖父啊、外公啊、外婆啊，或者你嘅曾祖父啊？你根本可能咧連佢係邊個你都唔識。
So we should be very realistic about our situation.
咁我哋要對我哋自己身處嘅處境咧，要作出一啲好現實嘅評估。
And so when we look at Maharaj Yudhishthira, we can also see how compared to the modern leaders. Prabhupada says this in almost every purpose. The modern, they don't want to give up their position. Yeah.
咁我相對 Yudhishthira 王，我哋睇到現今嘅呢啲嘅領袖啦。咁聖帕巴咧，差唔多喺每一個要旨入邊咧，都提到佢哋。
Yeah, so here the verse is nirmama. That means he is not attached anymore. Nir ahankar. No more false ego. No more thinking this belongs to me.
咁喺個詩詞入邊提到咧 nirmama 啦，即係佢不再感興趣 nirahankara， 即係話咧唔再執着，佢完全咧冇呢個放低呢個嘅假我。
Just like when you buy a new dress or shirt or whatever, you offer to Krishna because everything belongs to Krishna. You see, Krishna, after you bless, I will wear it.
咁就好似我哋買件新衫啦、新裙啦，我哋會將佢供奉俾 Krishna， 跟住咧當即係供奉完之後咧，我哋先會着。
Actually, everything belongs to Krishna.
因為咧所有嘢咧都係屬於 Krishna 嘅。
So even if you buy something, you're only buying Krishna's property.
咁所以我哋如果我哋買一啲嘢咧，其實咧我哋即係買緊 Krishna 嘅一啲嘅產業。
So Ishavashyam idam sarvam. Yad kinchat jagatyam jagad. So everything belongs to Krishna.
所有一切嘢咧都係屬於 Krishna。
So Prabhupada also mentions that the body not ours also.
咁而聖巴比都講過啦，就算我哋嘅身體咧都唔係屬於我哋嘅。
It's just that we are renting it temporarily.
我哋咧只係短暫咁租用呢個身體。
Just like in Hong Kong, you rent is so expensive.
就好似香港咧，租金係非常非常之昂貴。
So after some time, you don't want to keep renting the place.
咁咧過咗一段時間，你就唔想再租地方啦。
Similarly, even if you want to rent your body, when the time comes, you have to give it up.
咁咧，同樣地咧，就算你想繼續租用你嘅身體咧，但係到某個時候咧，你冇辦法啦，一定要放棄呢個身體。
So your body is your apartment.
你個身體咧就係你嘅居所。
According to your previous karma, you get a certain apartment.
你根據你以前嘅業報咧，就會得到某一個嘅身體。
Yeah. So we have to understand that all these things that we are getting and so on. It's actually a very bad bargain we have.
咁我哋要明白咧，我哋而家所得到擁有嘅嘢咧，其實都係一個好差嘅交易嚟嘅。
But the good bargain is that in the human form of life, we can actually approach the Supreme Personality of Godhead and do devotional service.
咁但係一個好嘅交易咧，就係話我哋因為我哋擁有個人類嘅身體啦，所以我哋咧能夠去親近至尊主咧，為佢做奉愛服務。
As soon as we turn to Krishna, Krishna automatically sends so many representatives to help us.
咁只要咧我哋嗰一刻咧係轉向 Krishna 咧，佢就會即刻咧派遣佢好多嘅代表咧嚟到揾我哋。
Although conscious for many years, we have to also practice seeing Krishna in our lives in every situation.
咁雖然我哋收集咗好多年啦，但係我都要學習咧，就喺任何嘅情況、任何嘅處境之下咧，都要去睇到 Krishna。
Just like even chanting, we should. Whenever we are chanting, we should think Krishna is with me. Am I chanting properly?
咁所以當我哋念誦嘅時候咧，我哋應該諗我哋即係同 Krishna 喺埋一齊，我係咪正確咁樣喺度念誦緊咧
？When you forget that, and if you remember, immediately you become conscious that I'm chanting Krishna's name. He is with me.
咁如果我哋唔記得咗嘅，咁我哋有呢個諗法嘅時候咧，我就會即刻就知道，其實我哋念誦嘅時候 ，Krishna 同我哋喺埋一齊喎，我就會好好咁樣去繼續念誦。
Our consciousness can become like this if we practice a lot of this detachment and renunciation.
咁如果我哋能夠好好咁樣去收集呢一個氣絕啦，我哋一個意識咧就會變得非常之好。
If we are attached to too many things, then our consciousness becomes self-centered.
咁如果我哋依附好多嘢咧，我哋嘅意識就會變得好自我中心。
But when we become properly renounced and detached, then we see Krishna.
咁如果我哋能夠正確咁樣去棄絕嘅話咧，我哋就會見到 Krishna。
Yeah, so therefore, we have to cultivate this consciousness of seeing Krishna in our lives.
咁所以我哋咧必須要培養咧，就係呢個意識 入邊咧係喺任何地方咧，任何處境都會見到 Krishna。
So this human form of life is very rare, as Maharaj Yudhishthira is showing us. So we should use it properly to go back to Godhead.
咁Yudhishthira王話俾我哋聽啦，呢個人嘅呢個身體、呢個生命咧係非常之寶貴嘅，所以我哋都要好好利用佢咧，能夠咧係達到咧係回歸神手。
From today's purport and translation verse, we can ask ourselves which sense organ is giving me the most problem.
咁由今日嘅譯文咧同埋要旨，我哋可以問下自己啦，究竟我哋邊一個感官咧係帶俾我哋最
Mostly it's the mind.
咁咧，通常咧都係我哋嘅心意。
But for some people it could be the tongue.
咁有啲人咧可能係佢條舌頭啦。
Some people like to see YouTube and all that nonsense.
咁有啲人咧就可能係隻眼啦，因為好中意睇一啲即係喺社交媒體度睇一啲好無謂嘅片。
Yeah, I heard devotees say they just want to check something on TikTok or YouTube, and then 3-4 hours they say they lose.
咁咧有聽啲奉獻者講，可能佢哋只係想喺咧 TikTok 或者 YouTube 嗰度咧去揾一啲嘢，查一啲嘢，結果咧佢哋就白白浪費咗3-4個鐘頭。
So we have to start to control our mind and senses.
咁所以咧，我哋要開始咧去控制我哋嘅心意同埋感官。
Why wait until we are about to die and then try to fix things?
點解咧要等到我哋真係就嚟要死亡嗰一刻咧，先至去糾正呢啲問題咧？
When we renounce things, we don't lose anything. We actually gain Krishna.
咁如果我哋棄住一啲嘢咧，其實我哋冇失去得到 Krishna。
Yudhishthira Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada, and all the wonderful devotees, we move from being illusioned by the three modes to what is reality.
咁如果我哋跟隨Yudhishthira王啦、聖帕帕呢啲咁傑出嘅奉獻者嘅話咧，我哋咧就會好似佢哋咁樣係能夠得到一切。
Okay, I will stop here. Comments, questions?
有冇問題或者意見
Okay.
No question.
All right. Yes? No? Okay, so we will...
Question.
Oh, you have a question?
點解會覺得時間收集得越長，點解你嘅世界越慢？She has a question. She's asking why when we practice, the longer we practice, the more difficult we feel to return back to Godhead. What's the reason?
Okay. When we practice properly, then Krishna first shows us all our flaws and problems we have.
因為如果我哋係正確咁收集咧 ，Krishna 會將我哋所有一切缺點、我哋嘅問題咧，全部攤晒出嚟。
Just like when you are cooking dal and you boil, although you wash the dal so nicely, but you wash still the dirt comes on the top, and so you have to take it out. It still comes.
咁咧就好似你煮豆湯咁啊，你就要洗啲豆咧，洗得好乾淨啦。當你煲滾佢嘅時候咧，嗰啲污糟嘢就浮喺個面度，你仍然繼續咧要清除呢啲嘢。
When we start Krishna consciousness, we think we are pure devotees.
當我哋開始去收集 Krishna 知覺嘅時候，我哋自以為咧自己係一個純粹嘅奉獻者。
We see faults in everyone except ourselves.
我哋咧睇到所有人一切嘅唔好處，除咗自己。
But as we become more serious and with the mercy of Guru, devotees and Krishna, we can see now I have so much fault.
因為聖帕帕啦、奉獻者啦、Krishna 仁慈啦，當我哋一做收集嘅時候咧，就會睇到其實我哋自己身上嘅呢一啲嘅缺點啦，同埋一啲唔好嘅地方。
And you understand, I'm actually not so advanced.
咁你就終於明白啦，我其實唔係咁進步嘅啫。
And actually, after so many years, I'm so bad.
咁或者甚至過咗好多年咧，我仍然係一個好差嘅。
So what does it mean? It means we have to really become humble.
咁其實代表啲咩咧？就即係話咧，我哋必須咧要係謙卑。
We actually have no hope.
我哋其實咧係冇希望嘅。
You know, if you analyze over the many years, you realize you're actually not even qualified.
咁如果我哋睇翻嘅咁多年咧，根本我哋咧連我哋根本就冇資格去做呢樣嘢。
It's very embarrassing to say sometimes I'm a devotee.
咁我哋係一個奉獻者咧，係有啲尷尬嘅。
So this consciousness, this feeling of humility actually gives us access to Krishna.
咁呢一個我哋覺得自己即係謙卑嘅呢個嘅意識咧，其實咧能夠令到我哋咧係得到 Krishna。
So when we serve in that humble mood. You know, we don't think we are so better than the other person. Rather, we're thinking, oh, I'm not that great, but I should serve them because they may be better than me.
咁所以咧，當我哋去服務其他奉獻者嘅時候，我哋就話其實我唔係真係咁好嘅啫。我哋咧，佢應該比我更加好，我要去為佢服務。
Yeah. Anything else? Okay lah. Grantara Srimad Bhagavatam ki, Srila Prabhupada ki, Gaura Premanandi.